Okay, I thought the easiest way to do this would be to try it out and see if it's going to do what it's been doing. So right now I have the editing turned on, but now say I go in here and I want to edit the way that this is displayed. So I go and I edit my settings, and I decided that I did not want one of these settings, so I'm going to change it right now anyway. Okay, so I changed that. I'm going to hit save and return to course. Now when I return to course, my editing is turned off, which is a huge pain in the butt because now every time you want to do a single edit, you have to turn the editing back on, which once or twice isn't a big deal, but I've been sitting here editing content for 6 hours. So having to do that 500 times is very annoying.